Hi, I'm Dan Pentz. Welcome to Fast and Impressive Lamb Edition. Here we have half a lamb leg from our mate Aldi. Nice big chunks of meat that we can throw on the barbie, my friends. Oh, this will be nice. We can cut some strips off this one along the bone. If we follow the bone down. I'm no professional butcher at all, but you know what the important thing is? My body having a crack. Throw the meat into a bowl and put the bones separate because you'll season them later. Rice bran oil will be your friend if you're cooking with high heat. The sacred mix of salt and garlic powder. We need one more special ingredient. Rosemary. Tongue test, then a good mix. For fun, we'll season these on the barbie. Digital thermometer, game changer. We're looking for 60 degrees. Whew, she's warm. I'll just take off the ones that are a bit smaller and a bit more done. Whew. Oops. Ten seconds. Now go smash your fast and impressive lamb.